Hello again, guys, and welcome back to MEM220 lecture number 5. Today, let's start with hole wizard and curve bar drawing. So, today, our lecture will be focused on to teach you some simple sketch. As I told you, every week I show you some new sketch, how to use it. So today we go to design the text. Plus, also I will show you some simple feature like swept boss, this, and swept cuts. In addition to hole wizard, which is the main topic of today's lecture. After that, I will teach you how to use the design tree here, which is located near the history here, in order to use the sketches for the future design. I will not, tell what is it. So in the training model, you can understand it. What is it? So today our training models will be only one model. You feel it's actually very easy. It's only rectangle with some extruded boss. Then I have here a canal, but it's curved canal. So actually, how we can design this type of canal? There are many techniques, but today I will go on to teach you how to use the swept boss. In addition to swept cut, in order to cut inside this canal, plus those are the hole wizard. Then here you can see also my name is also engraved on the object itself. So please guys, open your SolidWorks and let's start our design together. Okay guys, first of all, as you know, you should open a new file, part here, and then OK. Then I will start this time from top plane, because I will start from top to build my object. Then I will design this middle canal. So it's top plane, sketch. Then I will go on to create normal rectangle from the center here, from origin. Then with smart dimension, you can give 120 to 80. And after you finish, push F button to bring it to the front. Then using feature extruded boss, I will extrude it for 20 millimeter. Then after you finish, please push OK to end the design here. Okay, then Control 7 in order to show it as isometric. I will close my camera now. So now, guys, I will go on to teach you the hole wizard. So where you want to create your holes. So actually, we are gonna create the holes on this face. So I will choose this face first. Then after that, after I choose the face, I can go on for hole wizard, which is this one. You can push this. But definitely you should first choose the face. If you don't choose the face, you cannot create any holes. So actually here, many type of hole are available in SolidWorks. Counterbore, countersink, hole, legacy hole, you have tapper tab, you have straight tab, you have counterbore slots, you have countersink slot, you have slots. So actually this is depend on your design. What do you want to design? So I will not go on for so much details. I will go for some simple stuff, which is countersink. This one, I will choose this one. Then the standard here, unsymmetric, I will go for unsymmetric. Actually, there are many standards. It depends on the type of hole you're gonna create. depend on the customer what he wants from you. I will go which is very standard one, which is unsymmetric, not inch. No, it's not anch. It will be unsymmetric. Then the type. Also, we have many type. I will go on for this socket countersunk head cup, which is last one here. Then the size of the hole, it will be M5. For sure, there are many. Depend on also the customer. But for our course, actually what I ask you in the exam, so you should apply. So if I ask you in the exam M5, you should create M5. If it's M8, M8, M10, M10. So it depends on the question actually. So here now I'm gonna design this M5. Then fit, it will be normal. And after that, end condition, it will be throw all. Okay, now I choose the hole type, but how can I create the hole? It's only type here, look, it's only type. If you click on position here, which is this one, look, now they say please choose the look, when I approach the mouse, look, the designed hole will appear here. So you can here apply as much as you want. I will create many, for example, this way, this way, this way. You can create as much as you want. You can keep pushing until you finish. So now for my design, it's only 4. So if you want to finish, just only push escape button, then everything will be fine. Then Control 8. Why I push Control 8? Because I want also to give dimensions to the corners. From this center to here, sorry, it should be from this center to here, it will be 10. From the center up to here, it will be 10 millimeter as well. From here to here, all of them will be 10. So it will be 10. Then here to here is also 10. From this center up to this line also 10 millimeters. Final hole also setting to the same dimension to the corner. And we are now ready. When you say OK, then the hole is ready. Look, throw all. So this is the type, the countersink hole with M5 size, throw all the objects. Okay. Then from the middle of this object, we will create our canal from middle of these objects. So actually, how we can create from middle this canal? If you choose front, it will be here, as you see in the orange color. Top is here, right is here, but I need to create something in the middle. As I teach you a few weeks before, just only you can go to geometrical plane. Just let me push here. I will push this one. Then I can go feature, reference geometry plane. Then I will create a new plane, which is exactly in the middle. So it will be 40 millimeter, but flip offset. So it will be here, flip offset. Then I can say OK. So now we create our new plane. Okay guys, now choose this plane, right click, sketch, then control 8. Now let's create the path of the revolve boss. Because why, guys? If you go to feature, swept boss, just let me push here. Look, here is the profile, which is for our color is rectangle, and here is the path. We need profile and path. Okay, let me now cancel it. I'm just showing you what is it. Because of that, first I will create the path. So the path is actually this kind of straight line, curve, and then straight line. So I will go to create here from this middle. Look, from this middle here. I will go very random, then escape. So you can give dimension here of 100 millimeter, and this one you can give 60 millimeter. Then using the radius here, the fillets, give a radius of the fillet 40 millimeter. Then choose this corner. Then we will have a type of curved line. I say okay. Then again I say okay here. Then I will have my path. Let's say the path of the object. Okay, let's finish our sketch here using this. I push this button. Look, I finished the sketch number 5. Okay guys, now I will create from this point, actually here, from this point, a new plane. So let me select this point, then feature, reference geometry. Then look, some random yellow plane appear, but actually I don't want the plane to be like this. I want it to be perpendicular. So what I do, first reference it will be point, then I go for second reference. I push this one. What is second reference? I can choose this line actually, or I can choose the arc. So I can choose this line. Look, when I choose this line, look, now we have two relations. First of them, the line with this plane, it will be perpendicular, and the plane start from this point. So this first reference, second reference. Then I say okay. Control 7. We have now second plane here. So choose second plane, right click, sketch, then control 8. Then let's create a square. Let's create a square. Center rectangle, let's say. Very random. You can go very random. Then using the dimension, I can give this 35 with 35. It's square actually. (35 to 35). Now I say also here okay. Then guys, look, here I have my profile, which is this sketch number 6, which is the square, and the path is this one. The path is this one. Okay, so let me now go to swept feature, swept bus. Look, now what is my profile here? I can choose it. My profile, I can select on the profile directly, or I can go from here, from this tree. You can go from this tree. Just go to this sketch. I can push directly this sketch. So now the profile is detected. Then here I can push the path. I can go to this sketch number 5, and then look, swept was applied here. Then I say OK. Then now our object almost finished. Then guys, as I teach you from previous weeks, that we have what we call this offset entities. Now let me cut this canal with the same square but with some offset. So I choose this plane, then I go sketch, this is sketch number 7, then I go offset entities. For sure I don't want yes, by mistake I push OK. Just control Z just for undo. I can cancel. Just let's start again. You can push this plane, then right click sketch, then you can go offset entities, control 8. So look here, I don't want it to be outside, I want to be inside with offset of 5 millimeter. So we will have a square which is smaller than the bigger square. You can see now. Now guys, we have, this is our new profile, and we have this inner shape. Also we have the path. So let's first say OK here. Then the sketch 8 is finished. Look, now sketch 8 is finished. Let's go for feature, swept cut here. Swept cut and swept boss is similar in the idea. You should choose profile, which is this sketch number 8, or you can choose from this tree here, sketch number 8. How about prof now, the path? Path now it's become hidden, it's become inside. So I can bring it from, definitely from this tree. It will be under swept boss. Look, it will be this sketch number 5, not 6. It will be number 5. So I push this one. Look, automatically it will create some preview for cutting. Then I say OK. Then I will have my canal cut slowly from beginning up to the end. If you want to show the customer what is inside your object, you can go for this hidden line visible. Then you can show everything what is inside, whole wizard, your canal and everything. Okay, after you finish, you can go save as part. Now part number 7 we have. You can edit it later at any time. Okay guys, what left actually for our object? We finished this canal, we cut the canal, we cut the whole wizard. Finally, I want you to know how to engrave any character on the object. So here in this training module, I write my name. So let's go for SolidWorks in order to teach you how to do that. So first, let's return back to normal display, which is this one. Then you can choose the face first here. Then sketch, you can go to the text. Then you can write whatever name you want. Yes, so whatever you write, it will appear here. And you can change what, if you want to be bold or italic, anything, it's up to you at the end. So now here you say use document font, but actually I also can make it bigger. Look, if I remove this tick, I can make it bigger. I can make the space between the character is more. I can move this as well. Look, I can move this by selecting. Look, then let's say I need this way. Okay, then I say okay. But now nothing happened. I have no engraving. If you want to make engraving, so you should go to feature, extruded cuts. Then I can engrave my name on the object. So I will not go so much. So I can go maybe 5 millimeter. Then I can say okay. And then the object is engraved. Even you can see that from the hidden view how I engrave. Then I can go save and the object is finished. Okay, thank you guys to listen to my lecture number 5. Maybe you feel it's short, but actually it's full with new information. Please try to train many times in order to understand what is this swept boss and swept cut as well. And see you next week with more interesting design on SolidWorks. See you and bye bye.